Did you ever wonder why elephants are afraid of mice? Or is it just a myth? Today, we venture into the heart of the elephant enigma, unraveling a tapestry of tales surrounding these majestic creatures. Elephants, the largest land animals on Earth, have been revered and mythologized across cultures. Their immense size, incredible intelligence, and social complexity have fascinated humanity for millennia. But how much of what we know is fact, and how much is fiction? Stay tuned as we debunk some of the most common myths about elephants. Let's dive into our first myth. Are elephants really afraid of mice? This tale, as old as time, has been passed down from generation to generation, with its origins lost in the sands of time. But what do the cold, hard facts tell us? Well, it turns out the notion of these massive mammals being terrified of tiny critters is in fact a myth. Scientists and researchers, with their studies and observations, have found no evidence to support this claim. Elephants, despite their size, have rather poor eyesight, making it hard for them to spot something as small as a mouse. However, they make up for it with an extraordinary sense of smell, which they use to detect food, water, predators, and yes, even mice. But does this mean they fear them? Absolutely not. Their reactions to mice are more out of curiosity than fear. So it turns out our gentle giants aren't that scared of the tiny mice after all. Moving on to another fascinating myth. Can elephants cry emotional tears? To fully understand this, we must first delve into the biological process of tear production in elephants. Just like humans, elephants have lacrimal glands that produce tears to lubricate their eyes and remove debris. But the question remains, do these tears hold any emotional weight? Scientific research does show us that elephants indeed produce tears. However, these are not out of emotion as one might romanticize. Instead, they are a result of the physiological response to protect their eyes and maintain eye health. Yes, elephants are known for their deep familial bonds, their unparalleled intelligence and their intricate social structures. But attributing human-like emotional responses to them, such as crying out of sadness or joy, seems to be a bridge too far. Though elephants are known for their deep familial bonds and intelligence, their tears are not an expression of their emotional state. Ever heard of the mysterious elephant's graveyard? Let's find out if it's real. The lore of the elephant's graveyard is as old as storytelling itself. A place where elephants in their twilight years supposedly wander off to die alone. This myth is deeply entrenched in folklore, captivating our imaginations with its poignant imagery. But is there any truth to it? Well, according to most elephant experts, not quite. The belief likely originated from sightings of elephant remains clustered in certain areas. However, these clusters can be attributed to natural causes such as droughts or illness, leading elephants to the same water sources, where they eventually succumb to their conditions. Moreover, elephants are extraordinarily social creatures. Elderly elephants are taken care of by their herd, contrary to the idea of them dying alone. In fact, elephant herds have been observed showing signs of mourning for their deceased members. So the elephant's graveyard remains a captivating myth, but nothing more. Finally, let's explore the saying, elephants never forget. Is it true? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. These majestic creatures possess an exceptional memory that is nothing short of remarkable. Elephants have been observed demonstrating an extraordinary ability to remember routes and locations. Imagine, if you will, an elephant in the vast expanse of the African savanna, able to recall intricate paths to watering holes visited years ago. These paths are not simple strolls through the park, mind you, but complex routes through challenging terrains, a feat that would leave most of us reaching for our GPS. Their memory isn't limited to geography alone. Elephants also display a profound ability to remember their kin and companions, even after years of separation. A reunion between two elephants separated for decades can be a deeply emotional spectacle, with displays of affection and recognition that leave no doubt about their remarkable recall. This extraordinary memory has been confirmed by scientific studies, which have shown that elephants possess a keen sense of spatial awareness and an impressive ability to remember individuals. Researchers believe that this memory plays a crucial role in their survival, helping them navigate their environment, recognize friends and foes, and even pass on knowledge to younger generations. So, it appears that elephants never forget isn't a myth after all, but a testament to their incredible memory. In today's exploration, we've debunked some myths and confirmed one truth about elephants. We've shattered the mouse myth, unveiled the emotional depth in an elephant's cry, and debunked the fable of the elephant's graveyard. However, we've confirmed the astonishing truth of the elephant's memory. It's crucial to understand these incredible creatures beyond the tales we've heard. They're complex and fascinating, deserving of our respect and admiration. So the next time you hear a myth about elephants, remember to question it, because the truth is often more fascinating.